Hello and welcome back to our Introduction to Programming with Python series. In this particular lecture video, we'll be looking at assignment operators. So assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Okay. So we already made mention of what operators are. They basically help operations between variables and values. And then we already know what variables are. Variables are basically containers that helps us store or keep data. Okay, so the first assignment operator I'm going to look at is what we call the equal to sign. Okay, so this assignment operator, okay, is helps us assign a value to a variable. Okay, as you can see here, so we have x equal to 5, or x 5 is assigned to x. All that is happening here is that the value 5, okay, is stored in the container or the variable x. Okay, so this is what we call the assignment operator. Okay, so this is same as this. The next is what we call the addition assignment. So this assignment actually helps us to add a certain number, okay, a certain number to an already existing variable. Okay, so this is it. It's the addition sign with the equal to, or the assignment operator. So you have x plus equal to 3. This is the same as this. Okay, basically what this means is that there's a variable called x which has a value, okay, and then this is assigned to the same variable x plus the number 3. So if I have 4 here, it means that it's going to be this, right? Okay, the next is let's look at the assignment, the subtraction assignment also, which takes a value 3 from an existing variable, as we can see here. We're going to have a practical session also, so let's quickly dive through. We have the multiplication assignment, which multiplies the existing variable by 3, okay, and assigns the value to the existing variable, as you can see here. Okay, we have the division assignment, the floor division assignment. You already know about all these operators. If you don't know about them, please kindly check from our earlier videos, and then that would actually do the trick. So let's get practical with it. Let me get to, let's use the Python environment, the mini Python. Let's have this here. Okay, so the first is the assignment operator. So x equals 5. Okay, and when I type points x, I use the print function to print out. It's going to give us 5. Okay, so that is it for the assignment operator. The next operator is the addition operator. So now we have x to be equal to 5. Okay, so the moment we do x plus equal to, let's say 2 or 3 here, it's going to add the value 3 to x. Okay, so I execute this and I type point x. S is going to be 8 now. You get it? What happened here is that 3 was actually added to the xy. So x is 5. So what is happening here is that x here has become x equals x plus 3. Okay, sorry, let me get this 18. So this is what is happening here. Okay, this is what happened here. Okay, so let's look at the subtraction assignment. So x minus equals 3. This is going to take away 3 from the existing value of x now, which is 8, right? So the moment we print out x, okay, gives us 5 back because 3 has been taken out of the existing x value. And this is the multiplication assignment. So this multiplies x with the value. Okay, it multiplies x with the value and then assigns it to the variable x again. So we have x multiplied equals, let's say 3. So what is happening here is going to be x, so 5 here times 3, which is 15. So let's print x and let's see. Print x. It gives us 15 because the current value of x here, okay, has been multiplied with by 3, okay, which 3 gives us 15. Let's look at the next one. Division assignment. division assignment. So x divide equal to 3. This divides the current value of x by 3. So it's going to give us what? 5. Let's execute. Let's print out the value of x. Print x gives us 5. Right. Okay. The next is the floor division assignment. This actually rounds up the value of x to runs down the value of x to the nearest integer. So let's say currently x is 5. So let's divide x by, so say x by 5. So let's say x floor operator equals, x by 2. Okay. So the value is supposed to be 2.5, but with the floor division operator, we got to know earlier from our videos that it actually gives us the value or the rounded down value of the closest integer. So the moment I do this, it's going to, instead of 2.5, it's going to give us 2 as the value. Okay, so let's print out x. Let's see what it gives us. Print x. It gives us 2.0. Okay. The modulus operator here gives us the remainder. Okay. So let's say we have a value. Let's say x. Let me overwrite the x equals 10 none. Or let me change this from x to, let's say a equals to 5. Okay. I'm going to use the modulus assignment. So it's going to be a modulo equal to, let's make it 2. Okay. And we'll print it out. We'll print out the value of a. It gives us 1 because 5 divided by 2 is going to give us 2.5. So the remainder of 2 goes into 5, 2. If you have 4, it means there's a remainder 1. So the modulo assignment here, as you are seeing here, prints out the remainder. Okay. So let's look at the exponential, and then think that will be all for assignment operators. Exponential. So let's do a. Let's do a star or times 4, 2. What is happening is that a will be raised to the power 1, right? The current value of a right now is 1, right? So 1 raised to the power 2 is going to give us 1 step. So let's print a and let's see what it gives us. A will give us 1. Okay. So let's try for x. Let me create a different variable. Let's say 8. 8 equals 6. Okay. So let's do 8 multiply equals let's say 2. So let's execute this and let's print out 8. So it's going to give us 6 to the power 2. It's going to give us 36. So it gives us 36. So that is it for assignment operators. Unless you have a look at operator precedence, and then I think that will be all for basic knowledge about operators in Python. There are other operators, the bitwise and the others, but we will look at them in our upcoming videos.